VSLA principles, says Jeff. Better training may be essential to encourage the low-cost viral replication. Yeah, and it's all about training, yes. Use of women trainers works best if you find local leaders recruited in villages such as Saving for Change in Guatemala, El Salvador. Men trainers, if the model requires moving the trainers from region to region. And there's some places, I know, that's very good, where it's really hard to get women to, because just the distances and the motorcycles. Although I know that CARE Niger said when they started, no women rode motorcycles, and now lots of women rode motorcycles because their agents set the example. Sarah, can you give examples of good and bad exit strategies? Thank you. Here's an example of a bad exit strategy is not having one, and then all of a sudden you say, oh, by the way, the project's over, you're all fired. A good exit strategy says this is just announcing from the first day exactly what's going to happen, working with the stakeholders to talk about what's going to happen post-funding, having a soft landing for people who are employed, and making sure that you don't start initiatives that can't be finished at the end. I can't give you an example like pointing to this or that. Well, I probably could suggest some examples. I mean, I think CRS, by putting in place their PSP networks, they've taken that issue on very seriously. And I'm not saying that the PSP networks are perfect, but they've thought hard about what's going to happen after the project. What does it take to give the trainers the financial, social, and technical support that they'll need? Yes, Jeff says redress is a good idea, but the further replication occurs spontaneously and losses. Contact with programs, good training, further simplifying the model is essential. Less is more, the simpler is better. Okay. Yeah, right.